Small creators, don't you click off this video. I need y'all to stay to the end because this video is for you. I know how it feels to upload videos and after that video you barely get any views. And then you sit there and think to yourself, this is not for me. Trust me, I've been there. And I almost quit too. But before you walk away from your channel, I need to tell you this. Hey y'all, I'm jamielenear. Just call me Jamie. Welcome back to another video. Hey y'all. Happy Sunday. Look here, I'm about to go out here and do some door dashing, but I wanted to come on here and give my small creators who are struggling with their channel and barely getting any views and feel like they edited their video and it's not really doing anything for them. I want to come on here and give y'all a little bit of YouTube tips and what's helping me and my channel, and maybe it can help you too. So let's go ahead and get in this video. So y'all know I'm a mom of 4. I like to do life in my 40s content, gig work content. And y'all know that's what I started doing last year when I started getting consistent with my channel. And now your girl finally is seeing some growth when it comes to her YouTube channel. See, when it comes to small creators and other small creators, we usually try to stick together because look here, we've been in the trenches and we got it out the mud. So we know how it is when trying to grow your YouTube channel and you struggling to get views and you thinking the algorithm is against you and things like that. So we know how it is, and you know that we usually stick together. And trust me, I know how it is with, I told y'all, I just started getting views this year. And it took me last year. So I started last year, May. And eventually I started out posting videos once a week. Then I kicked it up to do twice a week. And then I went up to doing every day. And from there, I was doing every day since. And I didn't really start seeing views when it came to my channel, which was this year, January. So I know how it is to upload that video and you barely getting any views and you thinking like, hey, I put all this work into this thing on content and I ain't getting no views. I know how it is. And then you start questioning yourself, is this really for me? And I tell you, all it really takes is one video and look, you feel like you inedible. When it comes to YouTube, consistency matters. I always tell y'all, consistency matters. Whether you post every single day, twice a week, 3 times a week, consistency matters. Because when you're consistent with your YouTube channel, that starts to get you in the algorithm. And then the algorithm, because at the end of the day, let me let y'all know this. The algorithm isn't against you, okay? The algorithm is there to help you get your content out there to people. So don't sit there and think that the algorithm is against you, because it's not, okay? You have to be consistent. When you're consistent, YouTube throws your videos out there to see who likes that type of content that you're posting. They're looking for people who like the type of content that you're posting. Let me give you an example. My main videos on my page are gig work videos. So gig work, YouTube tips, motivation. I talk about money on my channel, and I do vlogs, like lifestyle vlogs, and I'll throw in some travel vlogs when I go out there to travel, and I like to do jobless mom and life in my 40s. That's the content that I do on my page. And YouTube, when you are being consistent and you uploading your videos and stuff like that, YouTube is searching for people who likes that type of content. So they show it on the home feed to see who likes that type of content. Now, being that I do life in my 40s type of content and stuff like that, sometimes I've come across other creators who do life in my 40s. So I'll click on their video and interact with them. You have to be consistent on this platform. If you're just posting here and there, what is that going to do for you and your channel? And then you wonder why your videos flop. Consistency is key. You have to post if you want to see any growth. It took me a year to be able to see somewhat of growth. And also, you need to be playing around with your analytics. You really need to be learning your analytics. Click on your analytics. Click on to see what your audience likes. I'm going to pop up on the screen of my top 3 videos and what videos bring in the subs. Like my first video, my top 3 videos. Hold on, I'm looking at my phone, y'all. So my top, hold on, y'all. So my top 3 videos are how much I make with 7,000 subscribers, real numbers. In the last 28 days, I got over 18,000 views on that video. And that video brought in currently right now 707 subs just from that video and me being consistent. Also, my next video after that, this is why drivers are quitting. That brought in over 17,000 views. And from that, I got 180 subscribers from that video. And my third top video is I tried the 6 a.m. Walmart Spark Shift. That video has over 15,000 views, and I've brought in over 323 subscribers from that video. Now, you have to double down on what's working for your channel. That's why I say you have to play around with your analytics. Learn your analytics and what is working. Double down on that type of content. That's what's going to help you. You have to learn, making sure that you have keywords, your search engine optimized. Titles matter. That's what's going to bring people into your channel and making sure you adding value to your videos, because people, they love to search for gig work videos because there's other people out there that can relate and that do gig work videos. You have to learn your analytics, play with your analytics, play around with titles. You program ChatGPT to help you if you need help. Those videos is what bringing me views. Like my Jobless Mama 4, when I was posting those videos, that's what's bringing me in views. Lately, I haven't posted any Jobless Mama 4 videos, titles, so that I'm not really getting anything for that because I haven't posted anything like that lately. I've been more concentrating on other things right now. But I'm going to go back to the Jobless Mama 4 content because that brought in views as well. And making sure, I'm telling y'all, this is key, making sure y'all being authentic. Please make sure y'all being authentic, uncut, real. Don't be getting on this platform lying to people and scamming people to get views. Don't do that. Because like I tell y'all, people know when you lying, people know when you scamming, people know when you're not telling the truth. And that's going to put a bad taste in people's mouth. You have to get on this platform and be your authentic self. Now, people connect with you when you real. So continue to be real and not fake. And that will bring people to your page. And I tell y'all, your next video could be the one. So continue being consistent, continue to post, and don't quit. You can't give up. Just because you post for a couple of months and you're just like, oh, why am I getting the views? YouTube is a long game. It's really a long game. It's about how long you're going to stay on board. A lot of y'all can stay on board for these man. So if you can stay on board for these men, you can stay on board for YouTube. You just don't quit. Don't give up. You have to continue to be authentic and you have to continue to post. So just post the content and don't worry about it and engage with your audience. And at the end of the day, I tell y'all, YouTube ain't against y'all. YouTube is here to push small creators. They're here to push small creators. They're going to push you. They are, because they're trying to find the audience, bring people to you that enjoys that type of content. How that look, YouTube, you doing, I want to say it, how that look, YouTube showing your video to somebody that's not interested in gig work. How that look? So why would they do that? They pulling your videos for people who may be interested in your videos. And y'all need to stop comparing yourself to other people. And stop comparing your chapter 1 to somebody else chapter 20. Because a lot of times y'all don't even be on the same level. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Your time will come when it come. I don't compare myself to nobody else. I be in my own lane. I'm a one-woman army. So I ain't worrying about what nobody else got going on. I worrying about what's in front of me. And I think a lot of y'all need to worry about what's in front of y'all too. And when you worry about what's in front of you, you will get far. So you got to remember that. And I just want to tell you, if you are a small creator, you can't give up. Don't give up. And I want y'all to drop your channel size in the comments so we can support each other, because that's what we're here to do. Us small creators got to stick together. And if y'all want to see how I'm building my channel as a jobless mom of 4, hit the subscribe button so we can grow together. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.